Hello friend, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. I hope that you guys are completely fine for nowadays, and I pray for you guys that you always stay happy with your cryptocurrency journey. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to cover the topic in where I will show you how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to another cryptocurrency wallet. Like how actually you can make a payment with your cryptocurrency, or how you can send money to from your cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. So here you can see I have already logged in on my my cryptocurrency wallet on Coinbase, and here is my asset actually available right now. The Bitcoin, I have around $2. I have around $2 equivalent Bitcoin. Here you can see the balance, and I have some Litecoin as well, which is almost $2. Okay, fine. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can send your crypto payment to someone else, or how you can send money to someone else by using cryptocurrency. So for this, very first of all, we need a crypto wallet or cryptocurrency address. Here is two things I like to clear you. So you can send cryptocurrency with a unique cryptocurrency wallet number or cryptocurrency address, or you can also use the email address for sending the money to someone else, for sending the cryptocurrency to someone else. Okay, so let me show you some example of cryptocurrency wallet or cryptocurrency address first. Okay, so here I already open a website which called support.bitpanda.com. so here we can see an example address. So this is an example address of a cryptocurrency. So if you want to transfer your cryptocurrency one account to another account, or if you want to transfer or send money to another one, so they will very first of all provide you a unique cryptocurrency address number like this one. So you simply have to copy this address, copy this crypto address, and then what you have to do is simply you have to log into your crypto wallet, and then here you will see the send and receive button. So you have to simply press there. Okay, so after you press there, they will ask you how exactly you want to make the payment. Like, are you want to use Bitcoin or Litecoin, or the available cryptocurrency you have. So you can choose in which cryptocurrency you want to make the payment, or you want to send the money. Okay, so as an example, let me select Bitcoin for now. So I'm selecting very first the Bitcoin because I will make the payment with Bitcoin, and then I have to put either the mobile number. Okay, so here actually we can use three things. Either we can use the mobile number which is associated with the one who are trying to make the payment. He have to associate this number with his wallet. Okay, either he can use his email address, which email is already associated with his the crypto wallet, or the address. The address is the things like I'm showing you. I paste the address here, so the address will be a unique number like this one. Okay, so you simply have to paste the address here. Either you can also paste the email address, or you can also paste the mobile number. Okay, so then you have to select the amount. Okay, this is showing invalid email phone or address because that was an example. So if you put the original email, the address, it will not show you the invalid address. Okay, so just because we are using a example address, that's why it is showing a invalid. Okay, so after that you have to select the amount, how much actually you want to pay. So you can select as in dollar, or if you press this button BTC, it will give you an option to select the BTC. Okay, so if you want to pay as BTC, you will select BTC as if I want to pay 1 BTC, then I have to press the 1. Okay, so the selected account does not have enough fund to perform this transaction because in my account I don't have 1 BTC right now, so that's why it is showing. I have I have like 0.000000225. Okay, 25. Okay, so that much I have, maybe. So I can send the amount I have. The point is, the amount I am trying to send, I must have this amount in my wallet as well. So as I have only $2, so let me select $2. So 2.00, so $2. I select $2, and then I have to if I want, I can make a note, like the one I'm sending the money or I'm making the payment. I can send him a note against this transaction. So I can write like, hello there, I am making this payment for that blah 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 blah, that services or goods. So here you can actually make your note for your, the one you are trying to make the payment. So after that, you simply have to press continue. So right now I can't press continue because I have the invalid crypto address. So when you will put the exact actual crypto address in this section, then you will be able to make the payment, and simply after that you have to press continue button. So when you will press continue, it will redirect you to the payment page, and it will ask you for confirmation. After you make the confirmation, if you have two-factor authentication on your address, you have to verify it, and after that they will allow you to make the payment. And here is one more important thing: you can't actually pay less than $4. Okay, you have to pay, or you have to send minimum more than $4, because this is not possible to send less than $4 in Coinbase, as long as I know. Okay, so this is the things. This is how actually you can make a payment, or you can send cryptocurrency to your friends or to your seller if you are buying something from a seller. So the same way, if you want, you can make the payment with Litecoin. So you simply have to go the send button, and then from there you have to select simply Litecoin. So either if you want, you can pay by Litecoin. If you want, you can pay by Bitcoin. This is completely up to you. Okay, so that was all for today, guys, and I hope that this video will help you, and you may learn how exactly you can make a payment by cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family. Support me for grow my channel, guys. Thank you so much. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much again for watching the video.